Hi guys, I've got the March Sophie and Toffee Elves box. It's bee themed, so I wore yellow today in honor of it, and I'm really excited to be back with you guys. It's been a few weeks and I've missed you. So let's get into it. So we have this beautiful red box. It's so pretty. And inside we have our little honeycomb bee box pamphlet. And here are the contest winners. Oh, so cute. I love that. Oh, they're adorable. And then instructions, which I will read before making the project, because last time I didn't, and that didn't go very well. And then this is what we were getting. And here's the premium add-ons. All right, let's open it. And here's the little 15% off coupon. And next month is resin stained glass. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be so much fun. All right, let's put that there and move this over. Okay. So we have magic yellow mica powder. That looks really pretty. And black. Let's put these up here. There we go. And some UV resin. Always good. Ooh, look at this. Nice jar of gold flakes. Gold leaf, I should say. Gold leaf, yes. Oh, that's so nice. Oops, and I'm getting it everywhere. Oh, that's so pretty. Ooh, that would be really cute on my nails. Wouldn't that be pretty? What do you think? Like add some gold leaf to it? To like the purple geode? Ooh, I'm totally gonna do that. Okay, so I know I can be a bit extra, but yes, I did just stop filming so that I could add gold to my manicure, gold leaf. It's so pretty on top of like the geode. And there's a link to where you can get the same nails. They're from Color Street. My cousin Amy sells them, and it's kind of like a Mary Kay thing, but they're so much fun. You just literally, you stick them on, and the heat of your nails from your body temperature kind of melts it, and it smells like nail polish, so it actually binds to your nails, and they last forever. And I love them. I'm obsessed. It's not just wanting to support my cousin because she's awesome. It's actually a really great product. And now it looks even cooler with the gold leaf. More even geode-y than it was before. I love it. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. This is my favorite one so far. All right, let's see what else we have. So the gold leaf, obviously. Super cute. And then I do believe this changes color. It's orange to yellow. Let me see. And here. Yes, so this is a premium add-on, and it's thermal color changing pigment. Changes from orange to yellow. So let's give this one a shot. Here, I'll put it, see on my finger, it's going from orange to yellow. Can you see that? All right. It changes super quick. Okay. Anyways, that is a cute add-on. I really like it. Would have been fun to get, like, this is a lot of pigment, but it would have been fun to get like a couple colors. I don't know. What do you guys think? This would have been great if we got like 4 colors, you know, same amount of powder, just a few more colors. So I'll put that here. And then keep going. So we've got color jewelry resin. LED resin, okay. So super clear acrylic resin that gets cured under UV LED direct. Is it a certain color? Oh yeah, it's gold. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, so it's like a gold colored UV resin. Let's see if I should just keep this out if it says anything more about. Just shimmering gold, so that's gonna be fun. And then what else do we have in here? I'll just put that there. So these are the jewelry bits. I'll pull them up. So they're like, that's cute. So this is for pierced ears. You get 4. And they've got little loops for the dangle charms. I went through a period where I was obsessed with dangly earrings. I had pierced ears when I was little, and then I let them close up, and I was so obsessed with dangle earrings that I decided to get my ears pierced again, even though I hate having earrings in my ears. I just loved the color of dangles so much. But here's clip-ons. I'll probably, I don't know which one I'll make, but I'm definitely more of a clip-on person than I am regular earrings, if at all possible. And then here's a few little tiny hoops to attach things. So we've got these. And then, so this is with the regular, and the big one is, so those little plastic things in here are anti-pain pads for your ears. And then, oh, so cute. For some reason I like that sound. So you've got little bumblebees, honeycombs, little honey jars, little bear spoons, regular spoons, and a big honey jar and some flowers. So cute. Look at that one. Oh, these are going to be adorable. And they've got little drip areas. We'll make some earrings after we unbox. Okay, let me make room for you. Let's see. There we go. Gotta get everybody in there. Okay. And last but not least, this is a premium add-on. It's the Honeycomb Bee Coaster. It's really thick. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be for some reason. And then it's got another little flower charm and a little honeycomb spoon or stick. What do you call those? I'm not sure. This flower is a little more raised and more detailed than the one on the that you get for the regular items. So, and of course these are always really nice molds. So that is the March Elves box, and I'm so excited to make something with this. Just thrilled. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed, and next I'll be making, I don't know if I'll add it to this video or not, but I'll make something with these. I already, I have a little honeycomb mat that I use to like catch resin drips, and they already kind of go with it if I end up making a shaker or something. I've already got some little honeycomb looking bits here. I'll just show you guys a few of them. I don't know if I'll add those or not. We'll see. All right. Okay, so I've decided I am going to make a necklace and a pair of earrings. So I have these from the kit, and then I have this necklace that came with another kit, just a simple gold necklace. And then I'm probably going to use these hoops instead of the little ones you get with the box, but we'll see. And then I might use this Elves resin dye instead of these, because these are pearl, because they're micas, so I'm not sure. And these are not pearly, so I'm not sure about that. Then we've got the gold leaf. So pretty much everything I'm using is from regular items in the box and not the add-ons. Oh, and the gold LED resin. So yeah, let's make a necklace and some earrings. So I'm going to use this one, which is a honeycomb with a little drip, and then I'm going to make 2 little bees. Hopefully those will turn out. Let's pop this guy out. Ooh, oh, that's cute. Okay, we're gonna have to do a little bit of touch-ups, I think. So, actually, I'll wait till the end. I'm gonna use marker on it and touch up the black a little bit. But what do you guys think? So I'm gonna use a little more black to touch that up. I think I'll dome the wings. I think that'll be cute. Or should I dome his body? I could do it a little bit. Let's see. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh, that's so cute. It's gonna need a little sanding. Just get my little sander out. I'm going to use my Posca pens on this. I think if they're thin enough, and then dome it. For the necklace, I'm going to use this mold here. Cured. Hopefully that's pretty. Let's see. I definitely think we need to dome this. Let me see. Let me touch up the sandy bits that need it. If we should use that pretty gold to dome it, I think. All right. And then I'm going to put it on top of this one. Under the big light. So I added the gold LED resin just inside the honeycomb and then on top of the little drip. But I'm gonna leave the rest of it undomed because I think the matte looks nice like that. A close-up of my little bee earrings. I domed them. And then this I didn't dome, I just filled in the honeycomb with the gold and then domed the drip. But I think it's so cute. I just love them. I'm not a big gold person, but I think I'll have to sport this for sure.